In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account in Axiom. Whether you're planning to trade Solana meme coins, use wallet tracking, or access Axiom's trading tools, we've got you covered. So open your preferred web browser and head over to the Axiom official website, which is going to be axiom.trade. On the homepage, I want you to click the Start Trading because Axiom will give you multiple ways to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, your Google account, or your Phantom wallet, and choose whichever option is most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions. After completing your registration, you'll be taken directly to the Axiom dashboard. From here, you can begin exploring features such as the wallet trackers, watch list, copy trading, portfolio management, and the trading dashboard. Before you can begin trading, you'll need to add your funds. So you need to deposit into your balance. Axiom will provide you with your wallet address where you can deposit SOL. If you don't already own Solana, you can purchase it through Axiom supported funding partners so you can start trading. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you create an Axiom account. And as you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.